Today we are going to discuss the length of path of contact, arc of contact and contact ratio for a given gear system. So consider the figure. So here you can see that there is a wheel and there is a pinion, and this is the base circle of the wheel and this is the base circle of the pinion. This is the addendum circle of the pinion and this is the addendum circle for the wheel. Okay, so between this addendum circle and the base circle you can see the dotted circle which is the pitch circle of the wheel, and here also you can see the pitch circle in between the addendum circle and the base circle for the pinion also. So whenever a gear meshes and it is in motion, there will be a contact between the pair of teeth. Okay, so here the contact between the pair of teeth will begin at K and it will end at L, and K is located on the flank near the base circle of the pinion or the outer end of the tooth face on the gear. Okay, similarly the point L is on the flank near the base circle of the gear. So here Mn is the common tangent. So for both the base circles Mn is a common tangent, and this tangent will cut a particular point in the addendum circle and that point is K. Similarly, the point L is the intersection point of the addendum circle of the pinion and the common tangent. Okay, so here the length of contact will be equal to KL. Total path of contact will be equal to KL. So KL is equal to KP plus PL, and Kp is given by Kn minus Pn. So this much of length is Kn. From that you are minusing this much of length. So from that you will be getting Kp. Okay. So from the triangle O2KN, O2KN is a right triangle. So from that Kn is equal to O2K square minus NO2 square. Okay, you can take the root so that the value will be equal to Kn. Okay, so what is this O2K? O2K, it is actually the addendum. Okay, it is actually the addendum. So you can say that RA square minus, so it is all in the root, RA square minus, next is what this O2N is. So O2N is equal to, you can see that this angle is phi and this is the pitch circle radius. Okay, up to point P. O2P is the pitch circle radius. So consider the triangle O2NP and O1MP. Both these triangles are of similar triangles. So you can say that O2N will be equal to R cos phi. R cos phi and square. And what this value Pn? So next value is Pn, right? So Pn is equal to R sin phi. So from that Kn minus Pn. Kp is equal to Kn minus Pn. So root of Ra square minus R cos phi whole square minus R sin phi. So this is actually Kp. Similarly, the value of PL will be equal to, by using the same construction method, you can find that the value will be equal to Ra square minus R cos phi whole square minus R sin phi. And this Kp is also called as path of approach. And PL, okay, it is termed as path of recess. So this much of distance is path of approach and this much of distance will be path of recess. Okay, so the total length of path of contact will be equal to KL, capital RA square minus R cos phi the whole square plus RA square minus R cos phi whole square minus capital R plus small r sine phi. So this is the total length of path of contact. Next is arc of contact. Okay, arc of contact, and it is given by length of path of contact divided by cos phi. And here also you will be having an arc of approach and arc of recess. So what is arc of approach? It is the length of path of approach divided by cos phi, and similarly arc of recess will be equal to length of path of contact for the recess divided by cos phi. Okay, and the final thing is contact ratio. Contact ratio, and it is given by arc of contact divided by circular pitch. Okay, the contact ratio is given by arc of contact divided by circular pitch. So circular pitch, the value of circular pitch PC is equal to pi m. So thank you.